Been out here all day working on the garden. As you can see, I weed whacked it, and then I mowed it, and I mowed out there too, and I took what I mowed and bagged and used it to mulch around the plants really well. Nice thorough mulching to keep weeds down and help keep it moist through the summer dry period. I didn't get everything mulched, but I got most of it mulched. Ran out of gas, didn't have any more. But something else I did, if you look here, you'll see, I also put an electric wire around my garden. That's kind of a requirement here in Arkansas. If you want to have a garden that actually doesn't get eaten, you're going to have to put an electric fence around it. So I did that too. Spent the entire day getting the garden all weed whacked, mowed, fenced, live, ready to go. We should have a good garden this year, provided it rains. So I just wanted to give you an update on the garden so that you have something to compare it to later in the year. When I show you whatever it is that might go wrong, seems like something always finds a way to go wrong. Well, we might have some funny looking cucumbers soon because they're really doing well. Got some cherry tomatoes coming on, and I got one of these better boys coming on down there. If you look really close, you'll see him down there. Got a few clumps of cherry tomatoes coming on. Peppers have got blooms on them. So far, so good. Grapevine's finally making it up to the arbor. That's a nice thing to see. Finally got it to trail up that piece of wood and climb up onto the arbor. Once it gets up on there and turns into wood, I won't have to worry about it so much. And this is going to help a lot. I was afraid them deer, they've been doing that. About the time things start looking really good, they come in and eat it. I got this whole world out here to eat, and they eat my garden. Go figure. Stripped my apple tree up to as high as they could reach. Anyway, that's the garden update. I'm going to go put my stuff away, take a shower, eat dinner, relax. Been out here all day. Thanks for watching. Give us that thumbs up. We really like those. And subscribe. We'll keep making more.